Hey guys, you clicked on this video because you want to know what is a gable roof. I'm about to show you. Hey guys, just so you know, you're getting the best information out there. My name is Zach Blenkinsopp. I'm a U.S. military veteran, and I'm also a licensed general contractor and roofing contractor in 9 other states. We do projects from Billy up the street all the way through the United States government. In our videos, we're going to make sure we always give you correct information that's relevant and as easy as possible to understand. All right, let's get started. Okay, so there's a bunch of different roof types, and we're not going to spend this entire video talking about that. What we are going to talk about is what is a gable roof. So we're going to get right into that. So I got my handy dandy piece of chalk here, and we have our chalkboard. And so a gable roof is, think of it like a triangle. So when you're looking at your roof to find out if you have a hip, gable, perhaps even a mansard roof, to know if you have a gable roof, all it is going to look like a triangle. Now we have different pitches, so it could look like this, or maybe even with a little bit more pitch and be like this. All right, and so how much the rise and run is of your roof is what we call our pitch or our slope. So you may want to do that. We do have a video on how to get the pitch or slope of your roof, so you might want to check that out. But even if your roof comes out, and let's say you have one of these designs where it comes out and then it kicks off almost like an L shape. Most of these houses have a ridge and have a ridge. And what it is just 2 different triangles coming together, and then you'll have a valley in between. And there's a bunch of different roof types like this. But if it has a triangle, it looks like this or this or this, it is a simple gable roof. So I'm going to take you outside to show you what is a gable roof and what's not a gable roof real quick. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're outside and we got a treat here because we have 2 gables, so it makes this really simple. So again, you see we have a triangle here, and then we have a triangle here. So this is actually 2 gable roofs, and so they're coming up and meeting together. So if you have any question on what a gable roof is, just remember it looks like a triangle. Whew. It's hotter than Hades out here. So if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you enjoy our content, give us a subscribe. I promise we have a lot of great material coming out, and that's already in our videos. We are going to make sure that we always give you a quick answer the easiest way possible so you can get your project done quickly. We believe in having a modern approach and using traditional values. Have a great day.